the latest collection of creative garden design ideas. Welcome to our garden design inspiration paradise. In this video, we're delighted to present the freshest and most imaginative collection of garden design ideas to help you transform your outdoor space into a botanical masterpiece. Whether you have a small balcony or a sprawling backyard, there's something here for everyone. Get ready to be inspired by 1. Zen Garden Retreat. Discover the art of tranquility with a serene Japanese-inspired garden. 2. Wildflower Wonderland. Embrace the beauty of nature with a meadow-inspired wildflower garden. 3. Urban Oasis. Learn how to make the most of limited space with vertical gardening and creative container ideas. 4. Mediterranean Marvel. Transport your backyard to the Mediterranean coast with colorful tiles and lush greenery. 5. Secret Garden Hideaway. Create a hidden sanctuary with winding pathways and secluded nooks. 6. Modern Minimalism. Embrace sleek lines and contemporary design for a chic outdoor space. 7. Cottage Garden Charmer. Dive into the world of cottagecore with cottage garden-inspired aesthetics. 8. Family-friendly fun. Designing with kids in mind, explore ideas for play areas and family bonding spots. Our carefully curated collection showcases a range of styles and sizes, so you can find the perfect garden design inspiration for your unique taste and space. We'll also provide practical tips and tricks to make your gardening dreams come true. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video inspiring. And be sure to subscribe for more garden design ideas, DIY projects, and green thumb advice. Let's get creative and transform your outdoor oasis together.